Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily send multiple documents on DocuSign. So let's just head over to DocuSign.com and just make sure that you're logged into your account. Then once you're logged in, just click on the start button. In the Add Documents section, you can actually just upload and choose multiple files from your desktop. Say we're going to select all this for example, all those documents will then upload at the same time. And while they're uploading, just fill in all the recipients in this section. Also edit the email subject and envelope types. And once done, just click on next. In the right panel, you can see all the documents that we uploaded earlier. You can edit them one by one just by clicking on each document. Then once done, just click on send. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!